Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is frequency, the number of waves per second, symbol F, unit Hertz. By the end of this video, you'll know how it relates to period and pitch. Frequency is the number of complete waves passing a point per second, symbol F, unit Hertz, abbreviated Hz. 1 Hertz means 1 wave per second. The relation to period, F equals 1 divided by t. The relation to wavelength, F equals v divided by lambda. 3 things. 1. Frequency is set by the source. It doesn't change when a wave enters a new medium. 2. High frequency means a high-pitched sound or high energy. 3. UK mains AC is 50 Hertz. The voltage oscillates 50 times per second. Common slip. Writing Hertz per second or cycles per second. Hertz already means per second, and don't confuse frequency with amplitude. Frequency is how often. Amplitude is how big. Quick example. A wave with period 0.02 seconds. So F equals 1 divided by 0.02 equals 50 Hertz. A high-pitched musical note around 1000 Hertz vibrates 1000 times every second. Light at 5 times 10 to the 14 Hertz, 500 trillion oscillations per second. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.